Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de Gala and TV so. But one more this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party Aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
I'm saying to go to audio on your man. Yes, about the old two man, and he can do that and come and give it to him. I'm saying to go to audio on your man. Yes, about the old two man, and he can do that and come and give it to him. If I can't run, can't run, then yet this is a beer. Then yet is them no 2 years. I am not. Boy, on your man, and Dima work for Guinea. Or my blood, can I say? I don't let the money. I want electricity. Oh, I'll be so bad. I want to nick now. Number 2, over to Nina, number 1, over to Nina. We could be again the middle. We could be again the middle. Oh my God, over to Maximia, and the middle. Only have to be where would you go? I'm Bishop of Elcomania. Yes, I'm sir. Omra, no, my cousin, my own body belly for me. No, my cool, I cool in my head. That's enough for yes, no. You ain't giving a campaign. You're not Democrat NDC. Yes, I'm a hammer. I've had this in the you know now I know. Munkasantiano, Nastadia. I did a babyano. I tell you, was a very
Lawyer, these are your deductions, but I'm sure you don't work for an intelligence agency and you don't know what they have down their sleeve.
I don't need to work for an intelligence agency.
No, I'm sure you are not a determinant. Hold on, lawyer, Mr. Let's take it one after the other. I'm saying that this is an agency, an investigative body. So you being a lawyer, I'm sure you work in tandem with them. If you disagree with them, no problem. But you cannot be a determinant as to how they should go about their things. That one, and so accepted that. You might disagree.
What the law prescribes.
You might disagree with the approach and with their style, but you can work within. You can work within the confines of the law.
My
That's so good.
disagreement with them is grounded in law because the law prescribes that a person is presumed innocent until proven guilty, and that means that the accused person is not under any obligation to assist any law enforcement with investigation. He can decide to remain quiet, and the law allows him to do so. If you say Y0u go to court, charge him, they will take his plea, prosecute him in any case. The judge needs to say our case to answer. Then you open his defense. That is law.
So
you see, let us not endorse the lawlessness now law enforcement agencies in the say so be Bolivia, we action, we are mano, bail condition 100 million, 500 million, only me for bail condition, no, we had not show me 1 week, 2 weeks. Let us not endorse such constitutional lawlessness in this country. It is not proper. It is alien to our constitutional dispensation. Let us not endorse it. What you do is that you charge the person before a law court. Now, Embrano, Edinedi. In the law enforcement agency, you don't create a spectacle out of the person. You don't do that.
Lawyer can say Dennis Abuaje when you access to the lawyers now.
Me pacha about an hour and 30 minutes ago now.
Was Rose or Belcotti be a man for one a year tree out taxpayers' money and a year tree out car. Ghana for 1 million cents form papa. 1 my Ghana for is form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame me Ghana for na enya daje ko sell like eto abasama because we will be tenasu for good 12 years. We be ye vice president. Ema wujade atamos ewu ye. Yedisa show some ubu ye, we also wunye president da. Emma ye vote ma obedi 4 years, aye 8 years. Wo se a wetwa 4 years, chinchina ye sama umra sasia, wo betwa 12 good years. Wo to me nye hwe. Wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ye omo kọ Burkina. Koko fu a wo promise wo say wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo baye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntuaka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo baye wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he Efri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada o ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa Akromfo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyinani efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mun kwa mo party. Me say balok di we chi no. Ghana for ansha. These 2 years aka ahuhie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komo no. Esum bi mbada. Esu bi mbada o.
Bibia I say, who share your sports are say, share Black Stars. I feel Black Stars almost to me share goal biom.
Ni incompetence na wonu mu no. Wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no. Such an incompetency. Aye, yeah, the World Cup na be fie. Brasters ya she goes say woto. E bin see that.
What be man ko foforo? Won farm assembly. Won farm sanitation bio. Anya wa. Sa sanitation for this sika. Ya kwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe. Na wo ba obeji efi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anya wa. Sack3d no Sack3d ta. You show tension baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Say what your pad. Say why there. Who is a pad na be ye bibia mo. It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, ye no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party. KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for Akromfo. Name Akromfo to sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals, na mo so mo ya Akromfo. Akromfo to facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya Akromfo. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you radio ndama ni ma say all members come to do one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon the money mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Iffiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.